Hey everyone, for today's episode, we are going to talk about how much in Bisaya. So in Bisaya, asking for how much is saying tagpila. Tagpila is how much. Tagpila. If I want to say how much is this, I would say in Bisaya, tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. But if I'm pointing out to multiple items near me, I will say, tagpila ni sila. Tagpila ni sila. So sila basically referring to multiple items. However, if you're going to point out an item away from you, you're going to ask, tagpila na. Tagpila na. It's like saying, how much is that? So how much is that is tagpila na. Tagpila na. But if you are pointing to multiple items away from you, you are going to ask, tagpila na sila. Tagpila na sila. Tagpila na sila is, how much are those? Again, how much are those? Tagpila na sila. So let's have a review. So how do you say how much in Bisaya? That's right. We say tagpila. Tagpila. Now, if I'm going to ask, how much is this? Like pointing to the object near you, how are you going to say that in Bisaya? What is how much is this in Bisaya? That's right. Tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. How about if I'm pointing to multiple items near me? How am I going to ask that? Am I going to ask how much are these in Bisaya? That's right. It's tagpila ni sila. So remember the sila. Tagpila ni sila. How about if I'm pointing to an object away from me? How am I going to ask how much is that in Bisaya? That's right. It's tagpila na. Tagpila na. How about if I ask how much are those? Pointing to multiple items away from me. How are we going to ask that in Bisaya? That's correct. Tagpila na sila. Tagpila na sila. And that's it. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!